Hello friends, today you will get to see the recipe of Anjeer Barfi, which is Diwali special. You can make it in Diwali. Today's video is little bit different because the Anjeer Barfi will be made by Chef Mrunal, but the voiceover is done by me. So let's get started and see how this Anjeer Barfi is made. First of all, in a pan, add a glorious amount of ghee. Make sure you use ghee because it gives a really nice flavor to the barfi, and then add in the anjeer. So you have to basically chop up the anjeer roughly. It has to be cubed or chunky like that, how you can see, because when it's very chunky and nice, it gives a really nice crunchy texture in the barfi. And now what you have to do is really nicely saute the anjeer in the ghee, and now after a minute or so you have to add a bit of milk, and if possible you have to add the cream layer which comes on the top of the milk, or the fat on the milk, which really gives a luxurious dimension to the barfi. And now what you have to do is cook that gorgeous anjeer into the milk. You can see the milk's bubbling and boiling, and it's roaring at me, and the screen, it's looking lovely, and the magic of camera, it has turned into a really thick mixture. And now what you have to do is you have to really well mash it. You have to punch that anjeer up and really turn it into a really nice mash sort of thing. And now what you have to do is add in sugars. It should be sweet like you. And now mix it all up really nice. It looks really nice now. And now after mixing it, you will see it becomes a bit liquidy and slimy then, and it's really starts to leave the pan, which is really telling you that it's becoming good. Now what you have to do is add a bit of a mixture of black and red food color, which ultimately will give you a brownish color. And now you can see it looks blackish right now, but when you add the next ingredients in, it will turn brownish, and then there's the magic happening there. And now what you have to do is put the mixture of that anjeer and all the goodies in there into a plate and let it cool for just a little time. You don't have to put it in the fridge or anywhere, just at normal temperature. Now in the same pan, what you have to do is add the khoya or mawa. If you don't know how to, if you can bring the mawa from the shops, or if you want to make it at home, I will leave the video in the description. I've made a video on how to make homemade khoya. Now grease a plate with ghee, and now what you have to do is you have to melt the mawa or khoya and turn it into really nice pasty liquidy thing. And now add the deliciousness and my love into the mawa. Now these are two of my favorite things right there. I can eat that anjeer mixture just how it is, and I can even eat the khoya how it is. And now mix it. It looks like a beautiful ripple though. Mix it up, and you don't have to make sure that the mixture of anjeer is really smooth and fine. It can be nice and chunky. It's your preference, but I love it chunky. And now what you have to do is after mixing it, you have to just take it off the gas, cool it down by just whisking it all up. And now when it comes to a little bit lesser than hot, when it's warm, put it on the greased plate, and then you have to scrape it all up. And one last thing, which is my favorite thing to do, all the things which are stuck on the spoon or the pan, just lick it up And now you have to put it in the fridge to set for a bit, around an hour, to cool down and set and become really firm. And now what you have to do is to make it look a bit luxurious and very fancy, what you have to do is put silver sheets or silver leaf. I actually don't know what to say to it. The truth. And now when you have put it down on it, you have to just make sure you have laid it down well and cut it into nice squares or rectangles or trapezium, whatever you love, or kite shapes though. And then after cutting it, there it is. Our beautiful Anjeer Barfi is really ready. I hope this video entertained you and as well as gave you a knowledge of how to make that Anjeer Barfi. If you loved my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my video.